Everyone is Googling the same thing: how to make money fast. In 2024, over 90,000 people searched how to make money, and 74,000 wanted to know how to make it fast. Over half of young professionals spend more than 50% of their salary just on rent or housing costs. For some women, it's nearly 100%. If rent is eating your entire paycheck, learning how to make money fast isn't optional. It's survival. You can turn things around in 90 days or less. Here's how. 1. Learn a new skill. The future belongs to creators and problem solvers. The fastest way to make more money? Learn a skill people will actually pay you for. As per Coursera's latest report, the top high-value, in-demand skills are prompt engineering, applied Gen AI, data analysis, cybersecurity, and WordPress. These aren't just buzzwords. Companies are actively hiring for them, and freelancers are charging great rates. Spend just 30 to 60 minutes a day learning, and you'll be miles ahead of most people in a few weeks. 2. Get certified learning. A skill is step one, but to get noticed, you need credibility. That's where certificates come in. Sites like Google Skillshop, Meta Blueprint, Coursera, and even Harvard Online offer free professional certifications in everything from project management to AI. These certificates show employers and clients that you're not just curious, you're committed. It's like putting a verified checkmark next to your skill set. 3. Start freelancing. Once you've learned the skill and proven it with a certificate, it's time to start freelancing. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and TopTal make it super easy to get started. You can create a profile, list your services, and begin applying for jobs, all within a day. Most people think you need to be an expert to start. You don't. You just need to be one step ahead of the person hiring you. Be honest about where you are, price fairly, and focus on delivering value. But if you stick with it, show up consistently, keep learning, you'll be amazed by the momentum you can build. What's stopping you?